Hi, I'm Dr. Susan Maples, and I'm a very proud member of the Executive Board of the American Academy of Oral Systemic Health. And I'm here today to thank and endorse one of our sponsors, and that is StellaLife. StellaLife is a company that is all about healing for oral health, especially for people who are compromised. I'm also really proud to know the president, who is Gennady Sirota. He's also on the board for American Academy for Oral Systemic Health, and he is one of my really good friends. The company itself is dedicated to care for people, especially people who are hurting. I just wanted to tell you a really quick COVID story. While we were closed for about, I guess, 8 weeks during the COVID shutdown, I had a patient reach out to me and said, I don't know what to do. Your office is closed. I need some more of this. She said, it is the only way I'm getting through my chemotherapy. So I went to the office and picked some up and made a house call. And while I stood on her porch, socially distanced with masks on, she went on and on and on about how this has helped her eat and put weight on because her mouth sores were so incredibly bad. Nothing else has helped. I reached out to my friend Gennady to tell him the story about how this woman's testimony was so powerful that I was practically in tears. And he said, be sure and know, Susan, if you have any of your patients who need this and can't afford it, we have a budget set up to help people in need, and we'll give it to them for free. We just want to make sure people are getting care. And that's the kind of company that StellaLife is.